Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to turn on your PlayStation 5 using your phone and control it. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So that is right, you can turn on your PlayStation 5 and then control it using your phone. So on the home screen of the PlayStation 5, let's go ahead and verify we have this setting enabled. So let's go over to settings on the home screen and then scroll down to system. Now go down to remote play and then go over to the right and make sure enable remote play is enabled. Now let's go over to our phone. On our phone, let's go to the Play Store or the iOS Store. And at the top where it says Google Play, let's go to search for apps and type in PS Remote Play. Here it is right here. And this is what the app looks like. Go ahead, install it, and open it up. And then sign in with your PlayStation account. Now, make sure you have the Wi-Fi internet connected on your cell phone, and you're connected to the same network as your PlayStation 4 or 5. Now, my PlayStation 5 is already synced up with my phone, so all I have to do is press this button right here, and it's searching for my PlayStation 5. So on my PlayStation right now, I'm going to go ahead and go to power, and I'm going to place it in rest mode. For it to turn on, when it's kind of turned off, you have to put it into rest mode, and this will allow you to download updates, download games, etc., and connect via remote play. And you'll know it's in rest mode when there's like an orange light at the front of the console. Okay, so my PlayStation 5 is now turned off. Let's press the PlayStation 5 button or search for consoles, and you should see it turn on in the background. So it's searching for connections nearby. I just heard a beep, and my PlayStation 5 is now turning on. And I am signed in, and now I'm able to control it. So from there, I'm able to control my PlayStation 5 with my phone. I have an on-screen D-pad, and then I have the face buttons over here as well. So if I want to start up a game when I'm away from my PlayStation 5 or go ahead and do anything else, I have the option. So check out remote play on your iOS or Android device and start up your PlayStation 5 remotely. This video did indeed help you out. Go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PS5 tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.